Oh, we've got a mouse in... where's he going? In Posh house. Oh, he's going round in circles. Where's he going now? No, he's took a long way around for some Yorkshire tea. He's from Bramble family. It's going to fall off wall if he's not careful. There's somebody below him, look. See? Just see a little squeak. Did you hear that? Somebody next door to him. That's amazing. The most magical two mouse families. Whoop! See, look. Oh my goodness. Did you see that? They do like playing tricks on each other, I'm telling you. Oh dear. And the big friendly giant loves to capture it on film.